everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's July 27 today and magka 11:13 na. So I just finished showered and I'm going to KL and Tuti school, and we're going to have lunch together and with B-boy. So I guess that's all, and we'll see you later. Ano? Mali. Bakit
Mali.
City. Female.
Mali is all the building.
Pamela. Oh, ako. Sige ako.
Watch me web. Watch me nene. Watch me web.
Sige na. Go. Now watch me web. Now watch me nene. Ubuhan mo siya.
I try my best to drink my
Baka na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Tara? Hindi, nasa mga ko. So I'm currently now waiting for Kael because he is cleaning the classroom and I am waiting. Masarap ng tulog ko kanina, siesta. From 1:30 to 2:30, so 1 hour din. Actually, it's not enough. It's already a sleep. So I feel so refreshed today. So I'm now currently waiting for Kael and we're heading home. I'm thinking of a delicious snack for this afternoon. Let's see kung ano yung prepare. Good morning YouTube loves. Today is July 28, 2015 and it's Tuesday. Sobrang ganda ng sikat ng araw ngayon. And I slept last night at around 10 PM and I woke up like 6:30 AM. So I had a 8 to 9 hours of sleep. So that's very great and refreshing. So for plans of today, I'm going to fix my makeup collection out there and my closet right here. So I don't think if I'm going to share it with you kasi it's a totally mess. So I just fixed my bed, and for breakfast I'm having paksiw na isda. That's totally delicious for breakfast, and a cup of coffee. So hindi pa ako nakakapaglabas ng room. I just wash my face with my favorite oatmeal soap and put some chapstick lip balm on my lips and already brush my teeth. And actually here is my balm. I'm fixing it later. So I see you guys later for another set of videos to share. As you can see, this is my makeup collection, and as you can see, it's really a mess right here. And I store my makeup on my cabinet, just a little compartment here. So I'm going to fix it. This is the before. Messy. And I'll see you later after. So what I did is I lay all my makeup collection here. And I'm going to take it back on the compartment on my cabinet. So I'm going to fix and I'll see you guys later. This is the after look of my makeup collection here at the compartment of my cabinet. So here's some lipsticks, nail polishes. So this is not a makeup collection video because I don't have enough collection. Just wanted you to see lang. Then I have some money there. So this is a makeup brush, petroleum jelly. Then this box contains all my sunglasses. Then my Hello Kitty mug, my prize. Then I recently bought a cell phone and I'm currently using it, the Samsung Galaxy E5. So actually hindi pa siya organized, nang ganun ka-organized. Here are some my perfume, may mga hindi pinabuksan dyan. And my daily prayer. And then my nail tools. That's all. I think that's it. I'm going to fix now the other side, which is my closet. So, I'll see you guys later. So, I'm lying now on my bed. I realized na yung mga nilabhan ko nung Sunday is di pa tuyo. So, it's already Tuesday today. Ilagay ko sila sa init ng araw and I'm going to fix later. Then, I'm going to have my breakfast. Then, take a shower because as usual, pupuntahan ko si Kael and Tuti sa school because we're going to have lunch together and with D-Boy also. So, pahinga muna ako for a while. Sobrang pagod. Look at my nails, guys. Yellow green. Siya nang away, no? Gusto ko magpakulot ng hair firm. Kasi sobrang, ganun ang hair ko. Bagsak, black na black. Actually, I had a hair color last December, I think. Pero hindi talaga siya kinakagatan. Nag-agap. Hindi talaga siya tinatablan. Yun eh. Hindi siya tinatablan ng color. So, I'm just lying here on my bed. And I don't think kung magkakaroon ako ng video. Nag-iisip pa kasi ako kung I'm going to have a whole video or a July favorites video for you. Pero so I'm currently waiting for Kael and Tuti for our lunch time. $11.50 yung time nila for lunch. And yung lalakarin nila from their building to here sa setup namin sa lunch is ganito kalaki. That building na green and white there is the elementary building. So we're currently waiting sa isang maliit at isang mataba na bata. Kita nyo, ayun na sila oh. Ayan silang dalawa. True ang taba ni Tuti. Hi everyone! Katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Ang ulam namin is adobong pusit, beef tapa, and Gigi. Nabusog ka malangging?
Hindi! Joke lang.
Joke lang daw. So, we're going to Picante. Anong kainin natin, love? We're going to Picante pizza, pasta, and more. To eat fruity ice cream. Kasi si Kael hindi nagbigay kagabi ng fruity ice cream kay Mama Le.
Wow.
So, bye-bye Kael.
Bye.
Wait lang. Kael.
Ulit.
Going to Picante. Let's go, my love. Lakin ko talaga ito, my love. Fruity ice cream and beef shawarma. Fruity ice cream and beef shawarma. Vlog mo ako. Ayoko na nga picture ngayon. Gusto ko lang. Ayun. Magsalita ka din, my love. Pwede mo magsalita.
Ngayon kumakain siya ng fruity ice cream. Ayan. Inilagay niya po ang kutsara sa fruity ice cream. Shake niya po. Ayan. Inikot.
Ano ba? Ice cream siya. Strawberry flavor. Na may fruits. Ah, ikaw na lang ang mag-iwan sa akin ito. Una ka. Yummers. Nasaan ka ba sa loob? Dapat dalawang